Would you forgive your wife if she was publicly accused of cheating on you, even after millions of people had seen the allegations? Because that's the question people are asking after the situation involving Limpopo boy and Matshidiso started trending on social media. And honestly, forget the gossip for a second. Imagine being married to someone you love, someone you publicly shown love to, and suddenly your relationship becomes a topic of discussion for thousands of strangers online. How do you even deal with something like that, bro? Imagine seeing a video of your wife with another man in a hotel room. Imagine. What? Now, before we go any further, let me make something clear. A lot of what we're seeing online is based on videos, accusations, and people's interpretations of what happened. We were not there, so we shouldn't pretend that we know everything that happened behind closed doors. But the conversation surrounding it is very real. So, to my male cousins watching this, I want you to be brutally honest. If your wife was publicly accused of cheating on you and the whole situation went viral, would you find it in your heart to forgive her? Would you say, she made a mistake, we're going to work through this and I'm going to give my marriage another chance? Would you do that? Or would the humiliation and broken trust be too much? Because here's the thing, when your partner betrays your trust, it's not just about what they allegedly did. It's about everything that comes after. The questions, the doubt, the overthinking. The feeling of wondering whether you can ever look at that person the same way again. And when the whole country knows about it, that's a completely different level of pressure. Imagine walking into a room knowing that people have already heard stories about your marriage. And the worst part about this situation, there are videos, dog. Imagine opening your phone and seeing strangers discussing your relationship. Imagine people who don't even know you telling you what you should do with your wife. That has to be incredibly difficult. And that's why I understand why so many people are feeling sorry for their husband. Aww. From what has been shared publicly, he has openly shown his wife love and appreciation. And people are now looking at the situation and saying, how could this happen to someone who loved her like that? I even tried looking for his social media account, but I couldn't find it. It appears that the account may have been deactivated, although we don't know why. But I think it's pretty much obvious why he deactivated his account. Ish. And if he really is taking a break from social media, I honestly can't blame him. Because sometimes you don't need thousands of opinions. Sometimes you just need space to breathe and figure out what you're going to do with your own life. But here's where I want my female cousins to come in. If the roles were reversed, if you were the one who made the mistake, would you expect your husband to forgive you? Would you want him to say, I still love you, let's fix things? And if he decided to give you another chance, would you understand if rebuilding his trust took a long time? Because forgiveness doesn't automatically mean everything goes back to normal. You can forgive somebody and still be hurt. You can love somebody and still be disappointed in them. And you can give somebody another chance while still making them work to rebuild the trust they broke. That's why I don't think this is simply a conversation about cheating. It's a conversation about whether love can survive betrayal. Because sometimes people say if they really loved you, they would forgive you. But is that actually true? Does loving someone mean you have to stay with them no matter what? Or can you genuinely love someone and still decide that what happened is something you cannot live with? And that's where I want to hear from you. Because social media loves judging people when they are at their lowest. But most of us have never been tested with something like this. So let's have a real conversation. If you were the husband, would you forgive your wife and try to save the marriage? And if you were the wife who made the mistake, would you expect your husband to give you another chance? Let's have a real conversation about this, man. Just be honest. Could you forgive the person you love after something like this? Or would the trust be gone forever? Let me know what you would do in the comments.